Alright, so these are some of the biggest collections of Gemini Nano Banana prompts that you can find on the internet. They're all on GitHub, and every single one of these repositories on the platform has at least a few thousand prompts that have been created by lots of people, so they're actually high quality. And there are many different categories. Like there is a prompt for image editing, prompts for group selfie, prompts for, let's say, product photography, for, let's say, infographics, for comics, for style, for learning, anything. There are so many prompts because we're talking about thousands of curated or high quality Gemini Nano Banana prompts. Now, out of these 4 repositories on GitHub, which one is the best? Which one is the most complete? Well, honestly, I think all of them are great, but this one in particular is the biggest because this one has over 150,000 prompts and it covers basically anything. So this is the biggest among these 4 repos on GitHub. But I think that's kind of too big because if you want to get the prompts, you want to save the dataset to your computer, you can open this link on Hugging Face and you can download the spreadsheet, and the size is 10.6 gigabytes. It is really big, and I would say that's kind of overkill. So I highly recommend to just use this one from UMind. And by the way, don't worry, I'm going to put all the links in the description down below so you can check them out. Now, I recommend to use this version because it has, I think, 12,000 prompts at the moment, and it keeps growing. They're still very active, and also it is a lot easier to access than the other options. Like they do have a website, so you can navigate to this GitHub page and you can open the website, and right here you can see the pictures that were generated on every single one of the prompts in this data set. So you can see the result and you can decide if that is actually a good prompt that you want to use. And also you can still download the spreadsheet to your computer, and you can upload that to, let's say, NotebookLM, and then you can ask AI about any prompt and it will give you the answer based on the content of this document, of this curated data of Gemini Nano Banana prompts. But if you want to save this, you want to upload the whole prompts to NotebookLM, there are a few things that you need to do because there are some technicalities that kind of prevents this very massive data to be utilized in a NotebookLM. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can basically download everything here and then put them into NotebookLM. So you can open this notebook at any time and you can ask AI about any prompts on any topic. So first, you can navigate to this page, and don't worry, again, I'm going to put the link in the description down below. Now, of course, these prompts are free. Nobody can own a prompt or instruction like that. And but if you want to download this, you have to sign up. You have to create a free account. Of course, you don't have to pay for anything, but I think they're just only letting people to download the document if you are sign up to the platform. So you can do it using your email, and then after that you can download the CSV document, and that CSV document can then be used on NotebookLM. But it's not that simple because I actually did some calculation using Perplexity and I upload the document. So apparently the document has 2.5 million words and it has more or less almost 6 million tokens. So that is a lot. That is actually beyond what a NotebookLM can handle. So in a NotebookLM, the limit is 500,000 words per document, whereas this single CSV document has 2.5 million words. So that's beyond what NotebookLM can handle. So we need to split the spreadsheet into multiple files, so later we can upload them into this notebook. So that's why, as you can see, I have various documents because they're just the chunks of the bigger document. But how do you do that? Well, of course, we are going to use AI, and you can use ChatGPT, you can use Claude, or even Gemini AI. Now, if you're using Claude, it's actually quite straightforward, or using ChatGPT, because they do have a feature called code interpreter. So you can upload the document, and then you can send a request that you want AI to create a code that can split the CSV document into multiple documents. Let's say I have 10 separate documents, and then I can download all of them to my device. Or you can also use Gemini to generate an app in the canvas mode. So you can use this prompt to generate a tool that can be used to split a CSV document into 10 separate CSV documents. So it is a bit different, but the outcome is the same. So basically, if you use Gemini, for example, you can upload the document. And by the way, you have to enable the canvas mode and of course the pro variation on Gemini to build this simple app. And then you can upload the CSV document that you just got from this website, and you can split that into multiple sections, and you can download all of them to your device. Now, after you got the split CSV documents, only then we can use them on a NotebookLM. So I guess I'm going to start a new notebook in NotebookLM. And let me just create a brand new notebook. And well, you can just drag and drop those CSV documents into your notebook. So I'm going to just drag and drop them. I have 10 different items. And just wait when AI is still processing these items, because they are still pretty big. So yeah, just be patient until it finishes. Alright, so it took about a minute or so to process these items. Yeah, anyway, so right here in NotebookLM, you can start asking AI about any prompts that you want to pull from this content. So let's say I want you to give me some AI image prompts that I can use for social media to promote a new flavor for my ice cream shop. Yeah, that's a very niche category, but yeah, let's see if I can get something from this notebook. Let me just send a message and just wait. Now, in these resources, there are at least 12,000 prompts, but speaking about the number of prompts, it's actually changing. So a few days ago, it was about 11,000 something, but now it's sitting at 12,000 prompts. But if you're maybe watching this video in the future and you are accessing this page again, there is a good chance that the number will go up maybe to 20,000 or beyond, and that's actually a good sign. It means that the community behind this project is still very much active, and they're adding more and more relevant prompts in the future. So that's actually pretty cool, and perhaps you might want to revisit this page a few times in a month and to see just if there is any new prompts that perhaps you can add into your notebook. But anyway, so here I got the answer, and yep, apparently there are some prompts that are related to products like ice cream. So that's pretty good. That means that it covers many categories, and I believe any topic that you are asking for, there is a good chance that there are some prompts exist in the database. So that's nice. So anyway, that's basically how you can access the biggest collections of Gemini and Nano Banana prompts, and how you can turn them into a massive library of prompts using the NotebookLM service. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.